As the science teacher, I have an absolute huge passion for environmental conservation, environmental protection, and anything in that space. One idea that has worked very well in schools was the creating of Eco Bricks.
This is our contribution to the Fourways community. We started this project from Mandela Day, where we got all the learners in our school to contribute to cleaning the park and building a bird feeder. What's interesting about it is that at the foundation of it, it's made from about 100 eco bricks.
We started off in term 1 making something called Eco Bricks, which is compressed plastic inside of a plastic bottle, which creates environmentally friendly bricks. We use that to create this bird fountain here.
The birds have the river already, but just to supply them with food, so then members of the community can come in and add their seeds and fruit scraps here, and in that way increase the biodiversity of birds.